Sairam students, welcome back. Today we will start 19th lesson Inventions and Discoveries. A discovery is the act of recognizing, explaining something that is already exists for the first time that nobody has found before. An invention is creating something totally new with one's own ideas, development and experiences and make inventions unique. Columbus discovered America. Thomas Edison invented light bulbs. Let's check. Do you know these inventions and discoveries? Tick the appropriate option. First, who introduced the Montessori method of teaching children? Options: A. Maria Montessori, B. Dalton, C. Newton, D. Bohr. Answer: Maria Montessori. Maria Montessori was an Italian physician, educator and innovator, acclaimed for her educational method that builds on the way children learn naturally. She opened the first Montessori school, the Casa di Bambini, or Children's House, in Rome on January 6, 1907. It is a child-centered educational approach based on scientific observations of children. Her book, The Montessori Method, has been translated into many different languages. Second, who formulated the laws of heredity? Options: A. Hahnemann, B. Mendel, C. Marx, D. Cavendish. Answer: Mendel. The principles of heredity formulated by Austrian-born botanist, teacher and Augustinian prelate Gregor Mendel in 1865. These principles compose what is known as the system of particulate inheritance by units or genes. The first of Mendel's laws states that genes are transferred as separate and distinct units from one generation to the next. Through his work on pea plants, discovered the fundamental laws of inheritance. He deduced that genes come in pairs and are inherited as distinct units, one from each parent. Third, who prepared the periodic table? Options: A. Macmillan, B. Wegener, C. Mendeleev, D. Chadwick. Answer: C. Mendeleev. In 1869, Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev started the development of the periodic table, arranging chemical elements by atomic mass. He predicted the discovery of other elements and left spaces open in his periodic table for them. He is best remembered for formulating the periodic law and creating a far-sighted version of the periodic table of elements. Fourth, who gave the theory of conditioning? Options: A. Pavlov, B. Babbage, C. Lewis, D. Charles Darwin. Answer: A. Pavlov. Pavlovian conditioning is learning through association and was discovered by Pavlov, a Russian physiologist. In simple terms, two stimuli are linked together to produce a new learned response in a person or animal. In 1904, this work earned him the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. His principles have been applied to behavior therapies for educational classrooms and for reducing phobias by systematic desensitization. Fifth, who discovered the malaria parasite? Options: A. Madame Curie, B. Ronald Ross, C. Newton, D. Jane Austen. Answer: B. Ronald Ross. On 20 August 1897, in Sikandarabad, Ross made his landmark discovery while dissecting the stomach tissue of an Anopheles mosquito fed 4 days previously on a malarious patient. He found the malaria parasite and went on to prove the role of Anopheles mosquitoes in the transmission of malaria parasites in humans. He was a British medical doctor who received the Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine in 1902 for his work on the transmission of malaria, becoming the first British Nobel laureate. Sixth, who pioneered the atomic research? Options: A. Pascal, B. Dalton, C. Rutherford, D. Hahnemann. Answer B. Dalton. The English meteorologist and chemist Dalton's atomic theory was the first complete attempt to describe all matter in terms of atoms and their properties. The first part formulated the first modern description of it as the fundamental building blocks of chemical structures. Dalton developed the law of multiple proportions. Students, we have completed question answers. Students, please do the correction in Did You Know column. Did you know Derek Jacobs was the first 14-year-old boy who implanted a rice-sized device called a very chip in his arm? I hope you all have copied this in your textbook. Students, we have completed 19th lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. Who invented the first computer? Yes, what's the answer, students? Charles Babbage. He designed three computers but never actually constructed any of them. In 1991, the British Science Museum constructed the design from Babbage's original plans. It took 6 years to build, weighs 4,535.92 kg. Students, we have completed 19th lesson. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.